Hi everyone, hope you're all having a good Sunday. So someone commented about the rooster that has been making noise in almost all my videos, and it's like it has become a signature sound, like it has become part of my sound. Nti buli video jenkola oba and the rooster starts making noise, it starts making alarm. No matter what I do, I cannot control this rooster. Sometimes mbeera onengamba kanjigobe kasoke njigobe gende manju gye beewoganira oba oliawo nga neeyo gyeringa ekokkolimirayo. Today let me show you the culprit. You will notice in almost all my videos, maybe I'll show them up there muka video njaziteekawo. You see? Can you see it? No? Yes, that one. This one with brown feathers. It is always the one making alarm. Ne bwenkola ntya waliwo yangambye njimuwe waliwo neyangambye tugirye. Nah, but anyway, this is a culprit, so yefuula part of my sound. I don't know, buli audio gyenkola ebeera part of it.